Hi, everyone. Welcome to Everyday Real English from Real Life Podcast.
Welcome to Real English Podcast. And hello, everyone.
I'm Brendy.
And I'm Annie.
Hey, everyone. Before we get started, please like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends.
It really helps others find the Real English Podcast.
So today, we're doing a deep dive into something super common, but also kind of tricky. Birthday party English.
Yeah, we're talking invitations, RSVPs, gifts, all that stuff, but also the cultural bits, what you really need to say and do.
Exactly. Our mission is pretty clear. Get you comfortable and confident. Whether you're going to a party, hosting one, or just need to reply to an invite in English.
We want you to know exactly what to say, how to say it, so it all goes smoothly.
We'll cover the basics like how to throw a party, but also like the nuances what makes someone the life of the party.
Right. The goal is no more awkward moments, just smooth sailing at English-speaking birthday celebrations.
Okay, let's start at the beginning, vocabulary. Just a few key terms to make sure we're all on the same page.
Good idea. First up, invite. Pretty simple. It just means to ask someone to come somewhere.
Like, I'd like to invite you to my birthday party.
Then there's RSVP. You see this on invitations all the time.
That stands for a French phrase, répondez s'il vous plaît, which just means please respond. It's a request for you to tell the host if you're coming or not.
Super important, that one. We'll talk more about why later.
Then we have gift or present. Same thing, really. Something nice you give to the birthday person, usually wrapped.
Yeah. And when it comes to the cake, you often hear, make a wish.
Right, that's the cue. Just before the birthday person tries to blow out the candles on the cake.
That moment of hope before they extinguish the flames. Okay, so those are some core words.
Now, let's think about the actual invitation dialogue.
Mm-hmm.
How do you invite someone?
Usually pretty direct. Something like, hey, I'm having a birthday party this Saturday at my place around 7 p.m. Would you like to come?
Simple enough. And the invitation itself, whether it's a card or an email, it usually gives you the key info. Time, place.
And sometimes other important details.
Yeah.
Like a dress code.
Oh yeah, that's a big one. It might say casual, maybe for a barbecue. Or it could be smart casual, or even cocktail attire for something, a bit fancier.
Good to know so you don't show up over or underdressed.
Definitely. Another term you might see is +1.
Ah, yes. What does that mean exactly?
It means the host is inviting you and allowing you to bring a guest a date, a partner, a friend. If it doesn't say +1, you should assume the invitation is just for you.
Got it. So check the details carefully.
Okay, so you've got the invite. Now, the RSVP, this is culturally pretty significant in English-speaking countries.
Right. We mentioned it means please respond. How should you actually do that if you can go?
Keep it positive and clear. Simple is best. I'd love to come. Or, sounds great. Yes, I'll be there. Maybe add a thanks so much for inviting me.
Nice and easy. But what about the cultural importance? You said it's significant.
It really is. It's considered polite, actually essential to reply quickly, like within a few days if possible.
Why the rush?
Because the host or hostess, the person throwing the party, needs to plan. They need to know the head count.
Ah, the number of guests. For food, drinks, space.
Exactly. Catering, seating, maybe party favors. If they don't know how many people are coming, it makes their job much harder and potentially more expensive. So a quick RSVP is really respectful.
Okay, that makes sense. But what if you can't go? This can feel awkward.
It can, but it's much better to decline politely than to just not reply at all. Ignoring it is, well, quite rude.
So how do you say no nicely?
Again, be clear, but soften it. Start with an apology or thanks. I'm so sorry, but I can't make it this time. That's often enough.
Do you need to give a reason?
Not necessarily, but if you want to, keep it brief and general. Unfortunately, I already have plans that day. Or, thanks so much for the invite. Sadly, I won't be able to make it as I have family plans, but I hope you have a wonderful birthday.
That sounds good. Appreciative but clear. What about if you can come, but maybe not for the whole time?
The short stay. Yeah, that's common too. Best to be upfront about it.
How would you phrase that?
You could tell the host when you RSVP or just when you arrive. Say something like, I'm so glad I could come. I can only stay for about an hour, but I really wanted to pop in and celebrate with you.
That frames it nicely, shows you made the effort.
Exactly. It manages expectations, and the host appreciates you making the effort, even for a short while.
Okay, RSVP sorted. You're going to the party. What happens when you arrive?
First thing, find the birthday person and give them a cheerful happy birthday. That's essential.
Definitely. Then what? Just stand in the corner.
Hopefully not. You're usually expected to mingle.
Mingle, meaning...
Move around, chat with different people, be sociable. Don't just stick with the person you came with. If you brought someone, try to talk to other guests.
Right, it's a social event. Now, what about the gift or present? You probably brought one.
Yes. So when you greet the birthday person, that's usually a good time to give it to them.
And what do you say?
Something simple, like, happy birthday. Here's a little something for you. Or, I saw this and thought of you. Happy birthday. Maybe. I hope you like it.
Okay. And how does the birthday person respond?
They should sound grateful. Oh, thank you so much. Or, wow, thanks. You really didn't have to. Something like that. Always express appreciation.
Now, here's a big cultural point, right? What happens next with the gift in places like the US or UK?
Yes, this catches people out. The general custom is to open presents pretty much right away, or at least soon after receiving them, often in front of the person who gave it.
Not put them aside for later?
Usually not, no.
Yeah.
It's kind of part of the interaction. The giver wants to see your reaction, and you're expected to give one.
So you open it there and then. What do you say? Even if it's not quite your style?
Uh-huh. Well, you still need to be positive. Find something good to say. Oh, it's lovely, thank you. Or, wow, this is so thoughtful. Or, it's perfect, thanks. Or even, it's just what I needed. Honesty is good, but politeness is key here.
Good to know. Manage that reaction.
It's all about making the giver feel appreciated.
All right, moving on to the centerpiece of many birthday parties. The cake.
Ah, yes. Usually there's a moment where everyone gathers around, the candles are lit.
And just before the big moment, someone, or maybe everyone, will likely shout, "Make a wish!"
That's the signal for the birthday person to think of their secret wish before they blow out the candles. Sometimes they might be cutting the cake right after or before.
Then comes the song, the universally known.
Happy birthday to you. You pretty much have to sing along.
It's the law! And after the song finishes, are there other things people say?
Yeah, there are common additions. In the U.S., you'll often hear people add, and many more at the end, like wishing them many more birthdays.
Okay. And you mentioned a UK thing.
Right. In the UK and other Commonwealth countries, it's quite traditional, especially at maybe slightly more formal or family parties, to do a cheer.
Hip hip! Hurrah!
How does that work? Someone leads it, usually shouting hip hip, and everyone responds, hooray! And you do that 3 times. It's quite energetic.
Hip hey!
Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Adds a bit of pep to the proceedings.
Okay, we've covered the mechanics, the etiquette. Now for the really fun part, the idioms. The phrases that make you sound, well, more fluent and natural.
Exactly. Using idioms is like adding flavor. It shows you're comfortable with the language. And honestly, birthday parties are full of idiomatic expressions. Learning them can be the icing on the cake.
Ooh, nice one to start. So the icing on the cake means something extra that makes a good situation even better.
Precisely. Like the party was great and the band playing was the icing on the cake.
Got it. Let's group some others. How about describing actually having fun? The blast group, maybe?
Good idea. Instead of saying, I had fun, you could say, I had a blast. Or, we had a whale of a time. Both mean you really, really enjoyed yourself.
A whale of a time. I like that one. What else?
If you want to encourage someone to relax and stop being so serious at the party, you might tell them to let your hair down.
Okay, like loosen up, enjoy yourself.
Exactly. And if the plan is for a really big, maybe slightly wild celebration going out to multiple places, you might say you're going to paint the town red.
That sounds like a serious party commitment.
It usually implies a very lively night out.
All right, what about idioms to describe the people at the party?
Ah, yeah, the life group. You know, that person who's always energetic, telling jokes, getting people dancing?
Everyone knows one.
That person is the life of the party. They make it fun for everyone else.
Is that the same as a party animal?
Close, but slightly different. A party animal is someone who just loves going to parties, maybe stays late, really embraces the party scene. They might be the life of the party, but not always.
Okay. And what about someone who's just very sociable and talks to everyone easily?
That's a social butterfly. They flit from person to person, group to group, very comfortably.
Good distinctions. Useful for describing guests later.
How about expressing feelings or wishes? The over-the-moon group.
Let's do it. How do you say you're extremely happy?
You could say you're over the moon, or maybe on top of the world. Both mean incredibly happy or delighted, like she was over the moon with her surprise party.
Nice. What about getting older? Any idioms for that sensitive topic?
Haha, yes. A common one, often said with a smile, is age is just a number. It means you're only as old as you feel. Don't let the number define you.
A classic. And you mentioned one earlier, a bit more formal.
Ah, yes. Many happy returns. It's short for many happy returns of the day. It's a very traditional and slightly formal way to wish someone a happy birthday. You might write it in a card.
Okay, good to know the different levels of formality.
And finally, describing quality, maybe the icing group again. You had icing on the cake.
Right, something extra good. What if something is just amazing? The cake itself, or a gift, or the whole party?
Then you could say it was out of this world.
Like extraterrestrial.
Sort of. It just means fantastic, amazing, extraordinary. That birthday cake was out of this world. It's a strong compliment.
Wow, okay. Lots of great phrases there.
So let's just quickly recap the absolute must-knows from this deep dive.
Good idea. What are the core takeaways?
First, the cultural rules are key. Remember to reply quickly to that RSVP. It's about the head count.
Crucial. And when you get a gift,
Open gifts pretty much straight away in front of the giver and say something positive. Manage that reaction.
got it. And from a language point of view, key phrases.
For inviting, would you like to come to my party? Check the invite for details like +1 or dress code.
For RSVPing, yes, I'd love to come, or yes, I'll be there.
For RSVPing, no politely. I'm so sorry I can't make it this time. Maybe add, but I hope you have a wonderful time, or hope you have a blast.
Nice use of the idiom. And for giving a gift.
Happy birthday. Here's a little something for you. Or, I hope you like it.
At the party itself, happy birthday when you arrive. And listen for Make a Wish by the cake.
And try to use some of those idioms. Don't just have fun, have a whale of a time.
So now you're ready for any English birthday party.
That's right. Thanks for listening to the Real English Podcast.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
Maybe invite them to your next party, in English.
Yeah, and here's a final thought. Next time you're at a celebration, try using one of these new idioms. Maybe tell someone the music is out of this world, or compliment the life of the party. It's a great way to break the ice and really celebrate in style.
Want to practice these phrases? Download your free PDF guide to review vocabulary, role plays, and quizzes. Find the link in the description and pinned comment, and feel free to share it with friends.
Like and subscribe for more English tips.